Warning: excessive consumption of caffeine can result in seizure and possibly death. So it's highly recommended that you don't consume caffeine in excess. With that said, time for my DIY. Okay, so this is a drink I made, and I call it the Rasta, and it's, it's not what you're thinking, like Rasta Safari, It's actually a mix between Rockstar and Monster, and that's where I got that name. I had a cooler name, and it was, what was it, Necro-Astro? I don't know, me and my friends came up with it. It was supposed to mean Death Star, or Stardust, just because once you drink this, especially if it's like close to night, you could say goodbye to sleep. Oh, I don't want to show any labels, which I think I just did. Okay, so this is powdered caffeine. This is a SodaStream. You need one of these to make it. This is the SodaStream bottle that goes up in there, carbonates it. That's just regular ice, or frozen water, H2O, the good old stuff. This is liquid H2O, in its prettiest form. This is 1 1/3 cup of it, or about 11 ounces, or 300 metric milliliters, just in case you want everything right. Everything else is going to be kind of half much. Okay, so this is an energy blend mixture of, it's supposed to be like the famous one that you put in the, look at the shape. You know what it is. So, okay, you can get this from the store. This is the generic brand. It's actually twice as strong as the regular. And what I do with this is set it down here for now. So we're going to take some ice real quick. Oh, I forgot. Ice is a tricky beast. Okay, so just put the ice in here. I've never really calculated how many ice cubes I put in here. I'm like watching this on my camera happen, so forgive me if I mess something up with you. I don't know, almost. Okay. So once you have your ice in there, now what you're going to want to do is put everything else. So I use this generic brand, and I'm going to count for 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Done. Now we don't need that anymore. This is, right here, a half teaspoon. Don't use a whole half teaspoon, especially if you have like a high sensitivity to caffeine. Now what this is an actual caffeine powder. So, whoops. I use like a little, yeah, that's about right. A little more, just because tonight was a bit of a rough night. Okay, so you can see it's like almost a little over half. You just go ahead and put that in there. Tap it. I just noticed I was doing the video like really, really close to everything. Okay, so now that we have this water next to my computers and other equipment, we're just going to pour it in there. And I will say when. I don't even know if we're going to use all of it. That's okay. I had too much water in there. So we're at like 2/3 a cup. Let me see how many milliliters. We had 300 milliliters. We used 150. So you only need 150 milliliters is what I just decided now. I didn't really test any of this before I did, but I just eyeball everything. And then you take it, and the whole reason we put the ice in there is just to get it really nice and chill. I mean, if you want to put the water in the fridge before, you don't really even have to go through this step. But something else cool that I've realized, and I'll show you after we're done making it, is by doing this, you actually, because that powder doesn't break down really well, so this actually helps break down the powder into your energy drink. So just shake it vigorously, kind of, maybe if you want, shake it kind of like martini. Not alcoholic, don't support alcohol. And cap almost came off. Once you've shaken it really well, it should look like that. You'll see like the bubbles starting to dissolve at the bottom. Go ahead and take the cap off. And you really don't even need to carbonate it. I just do because I prefer carbonated drinks. So let's stick in here. Can I screw this on with one hand? If I can, I am skilled beyond my years. Yes! Nope. Yes. There we go. Okay. So now it's screwed on. And if you have the soda stream, you know, you just kind of push. Uh-oh. You come almost out of carbonation. Let's hope that this works. This is what it'll look like when you carbonate yours. You'll see your arm, your thumb, and uh-oh. Please buzz a little bit. Just a little. Come on. It should. I just ran out of carbonation. But I think that should be enough, to be honest. So now, we're just release the pressure. And we have our drink. Kind of. Almost. Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. This is going to be hard. This is why I wanted to set up a tripod, but I forgot to. My excess ice in there. Oh yeah, by the way, check this out. Vera Wang, right there. Can you see it? Wait, let's see. I don't mean to name drop or anything, but you know, Vera Wang. Gotta have the right glasses for what you're doing. Okay, so it doesn't look too bubbly. It'll get there. This is the method I use to pour it, just because I can't. Well, maybe I can do it with one hand. Okay, so just put your finger on it like that, and pour. And that way, you know, you don't, unless you want ice, then I guess you can pour it in there. But I just do it like this, because I'm fancy. Okay, make sure you get all the liquid out of there. And now, you can kind of see, oh, too bright. Oh, you can't see it in the video. But it looks really wicked. It tastes pretty good. Not great because it's an energy drink, but pretty good. And it gives you loads of energy for gaming and doing video walkthroughs of shame. So, cheers. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. Guys, those days as good as I thought it would. Peace.